All right, here we go. Before we do anything in Algebra 1, we've got to make sure that we can know how to do some basic stuff. If we don't have the basic stuff, then dang, we can't do any of this. For instance, if I want to make a sandwich, make sure you have bread, please. So that's what we're going to do here, because without that, you can't really do anything. This is crucial, super, super, super fundamental to your whole success in math. If you're not good on this grid, oh, you better get good on this grid, and today's the day you get good on this grid. All right? But before we go, we got to say our student creed. All right? Here we go. On three. 1, 2, 3. Today is a new day. I can read well. I can understand what I read. I can remember it and apply it correctly. I've got eyes to see, ears to hear, and a mind to understand. It might not be easy, but it's worth it. Whew, all right, I feel brand new. I'm ready to go. All right, let's go. Which point has these coordinates? 5, 2. I don't know anything about coordinates. Man, I forgot all about it. No big deal. Me too. I forgot about coordinates. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm doing this so I can draw in the picture. All right, coordinates. You have to know this. X and Y. The X always comes first. The X is always first. The X is always first. The X is always first. What letter is always first? The X. Good. So I'm going to write down X on top and then put a Y next to him. That way I know which one the X is. Whenever I'm fighting with my wife, whenever things, and I'm so mad, well, guess who the first person I talk to is? Who's the first? The X. Just kidding. That's a good way to remember that, though. But I'm just kidding. I love you, girl. I love you, Deborah. All right, here you go. All right, now, in case that doesn't help you, in case you forget that, always remember this. If you need to remember which one goes first, do the alphabet. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, then Y. W, X, and then Y. All right, X is first. You have to know that. So I'm going to write here on the side, I'm going to draw this, make a little note. You need to write these notes down because this note right here is going to tell you exactly how to do all this. You can look back at this little cheat sheet and you can look at this and it'll help you do your work. So draw this, please. Put the parentheses, put X on top, Y on top, another parentheses, and put a comma right there to separate them. All right, the first number will tell you what direction to go in. The first number always tells you how many sideways you're going to go. Now, you're either going to go to the right, that means it's a positive number, or you're going to go to the left. That means it's going to be a negative number. So, for example, -2. That's what a negative looks like. And for the example of the positive, I want to put a 3 right there. All right? A positive number looks like that, negative number looks like that. The Y number tells you how many up you're going to go or how many down you're going to go. If you're going to go up, that's going to be a plus. If you're going to go down, that's going to be a minus. So here's the example of what the numbers look like. All right, +4. That means you're going to go up. -5. That means you're going to go down 5. All right, now take this what we know and let's look at this grid. Huge point right here. You always, I'm going to write it down. Right, you write it. I write, you write. You always start in the middle. In the middle. I'm going to write this word real quick. You might need to hear this word. In the origin. The origins. The origins. Look at the saga. The origins of this. Where does it come from? Where does it created? It's created right here in the middle. The origins are, origin is right here. Right in the middle. All right? You start at the origin. Now let's do what the steps say to do. All right, what are my numbers? My numbers are -5, 2. All right, the first one tells me to go left or right. So am I going to go left or am I going to go right? I'm going to go left because he's negative. So I'm going to go 5 units to the left. Here you go, 5 units to the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop right there. Don't fall in love with that spot. Don't fall in love with that spot. You still got to do the next spot. So the next number says 2. Well, that number tells me to go up and down. So am I going to go up 2 or am I going to go down 2? Well, I don't know. Is there a negative in front of this 2? No, there's no negative there. So that means I got to go up 2. So let's go up. From the spot that we left off on, we go up to 1, 2. I'm at point K. All right, let's review what we just did. I got the coordinate -5, 2. Coordinates are on the grid. I have to know how to do this grid. The first number is the X number. The first number tells you how many sideways we're going to go. If it's positive, we're going to go to the right. If it's negative, we're going to go to the left. All right, now the second number tells us how many up or down we're going to go. If it's positive, I go up. If it's negative, I go down. Now, before we even do that, we have to start at the right spot. And we always start at the origin, which is where? Right in the middle, right there, the origin. Now, my guy said -5 first. Well, the 5 means I got to go sideways. It's a -5, so that means I got to go to the left 5. And then you don't fall in love there. You don't just stop there. You got to do the second number. The second number is a 2. That means I'm going to go up 2, and boom, that's how we got that answer. Great job. That's 1. Let's do a couple more. All right, let me pick my choice. Choice K. Nice, nice. Got some points. All right, next question. The coordinates for -1, 2. I don't know. Let's see. Here you go. Let's see. X is always first. There's Y. X goes sideways. It's negative when you go to the left. It's positive when you go to the right. The Y goes up and down. It's positive when you're on top. Negative when you're going down. The number is -1. Other number is 2. Let's see. This number is negative. Wait, I got to start where? Where do I got to start? I always forget where to start. Start at the origin, right there in the middle. So I got to go left 1. So here I go. Left 1. Don't fall in love. Then don't stop there. Do the second part. Okay, it's a 2. Am I going up 2 or down 2? I'm going to go up 2. It's positive. 1, 2. Got it. I'm at this Q. Boom. Q. Got-y. Next one. Coordinates of the point -1, 1. Let's see. Start at the origin. The first -1 means I got to go sideways, right? So let's go -1 to the left. Now the other one tells me I got to go up and down. Well, I got to go down 1 because he's also negative. Guess what? I'm at point R. At point R. All right, next one. Oh, what are the coordinates of point R? Let's see. Where is point R? Here he is. He's right up here. Always start at the origin. So here I am at the origin. Now let's get to point R. Always go to the left and right first. You always got to go sideways first. Don't you go up and down first. That's not the order. So I got to go sideways. Sideways. So here I go. I want to go left 3. 1, 2, 3. How do I write left 3? I can't type that in here. Let me see. Left 3. That's not how it works. How do I put that I'm going to the left when I'm doing a number? You put a minus on there. All right, so it's -3. Now, don't fall in love. There's nothing there at that spot. Finish it up. All right, let's go. Now I got to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I went up 4. Nope, that's not. You don't do it like that. Let's see. What if I put a +4? That looks weird. Whenever it's positive, you don't have to put the plus sign in. It's understood to be a positive. But if it's negative, you better put that negative sign in there. All right, next one. Last one. Last one. Here we go. What are the coordinates for point V? Let's see. Always start in the middle. Start at the origin. Now, how many sideways do I got to go? Do I go right 1? No, that'd be too far. I wouldn't be able to get there. All right, let me go left 1. No, that'd be too far too. What if I don't even move? Just stay there. Stay put. Sit. 0 means to sit right there. So I'm going to put a 0 because I'm going to sit right there. Don't move. Don't fall in love there. Now let's go find that point V. Let's see. I got to go up 2. 1, 2. How do I write up 2? I just put up and a 2? No. You can't do it like that. Let me put a +2 then. No. No, you don't do it like that either. If it's positive, you don't have to write the plus sign because all numbers are assumed to be positive unless you tell me that he's negative. All right, that's it. Y'all guys be safe. Go get them. Have any questions, hit me up. Message the number 81010 and send the message @ShivesMath. I'm here for you. I can help you out, even if you're not even my student. I'm just here to help people. I'm here to help empower people. All right, let's go get it. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.